I was obese all of my life and morbidly obese. I was nearly 22 stone and I decided I was going to change my life because I was fed up.
I had gotten to a point where it was kind of enough was enough. I sat in most of the time, didn't go out, didn't go shopping, never felt comfortable in myself. And I just thought, well, I don't see the point. If I'm going to continue doing this, I'm going to be miserable for the rest of my life, and I'm the only person that can change it. So
in 2011, I was diagnosed with a blood clotting disorder, and I think about that every day because I know that, being that big shorten your life.
I decided I am going to do something. Nobody is going to do this for me. I am going to do it. And I did it. This is the first diet that has ever worked for me. I've lost between 10.5 and 11 stone. So I've lost a me.
I incorporated it into my whole lifestyle now, as I will never be without products, so I want to always have the New You products at home because I've now found a way that I can actually manage my weight properly, and my mind is very different to how it used to be.
my life now is completely different to my life 2 years ago. I don't care what people think of me because I'm happy. I'm happy in myself. It's the best thing I ever did.
I have 2 babies and I feel growing up that they'll have a man that they can be proud of and not be embarrassed by.
New You has changed my life. I definitely would say to anybody to give it a go. I can't believe I'm in the place I am now from where I was last year.
And the only thing I can say is if I can do it and be as happy as I am now, then anybody should do it.